Hello. Hey friends, welcome to Mama Does It All. Let's continue to learn high frequency words through teeny weeny sentences. In this lesson, we will see 12 words from the primer set of Dolch list. Observe the spellings of the words in red carefully. Let's get started. All. A-L-L, all. I ate all of the candies. Am. A-M, am. I am a dancer. Are. A-R-E, are. They are playing tag. At. A-T, at. My school starts at 9 o'clock. Ate. A-T-E, ate. Simmi ate all of her lunch. B. B-E-B. Please be quiet in the classroom. But. B-U-T, but. Mac is tall, but Sham is taller. Do. D-O, do. Let's do skipping together. Did. D-I-D, did. I did all the dusting today. No. N-O, no. Say no to bullying. On. O-N, on. Kitty is sleeping on a pillow. So. S-O, so. Kitty is so cute. Good job! Let's meet in the next lesson to see the next group of words from the primer set. I have created a lot of lessons for you to learn to read phonetically. Make sure you check the link for that playlist in the description box below. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.